Hello and welcome back to my channel 4JZ. If you're clicking on today's video, probably because you have a 3 Series M Sport or a 3 Series and you want your car to look like one of these, really and truly, right? Bagged if you got the monies, you know, I don't think it's static if you still got the monies, but you pretty much want all these sort of modifications and try and transform your car to look like every other BMW guy out there with all these mods for cheap. So before we get into that, let's play the intro and I'll show you guys how you can do it for cheap and transform your car into one of these bad boys, you know, whether it's the blue or the white or the grey. Before I play the intro, subscribe! Alright, if you clicked on today's video, obviously your car probably looks something like this. If you've got a 3 Series M Sport F30, you know, it's the 2014 to 2018, 2016, I think, something like that. Whatever it is, you know. If you've got M Sport, whew, kudos to you. If you've got 320i, I envy you, mate, because I got the 320D diesel because I'm trying to be fuel efficient and all that rubbish. Anyway, so if you haven't noticed or known, I've got a new car in my other video. Go check that out. But you know, today we're talking about the cheapest mods, the best mods, and easy to do from home, whatever it is you got to do and whatnot, as you say. So if yours blue, then yours is blue. If not, yours might actually be grey, black or red, and it still looks cool. You know, fair enough. I just went for blue because it's all I could get, really. I'm gonna be honest, and hopefully you're in the same boat as me and you just want to do some cheap mods to make yours a bit different, or just like every other car guy out there, with maybe not as different, but you know, stuff like that. Other than that, let's just get straight into the first cheap mod. Alright, the first mods we've got are these blacked out grills. As you saw before, it was silver, and it's very cheap for £15. Yeah, so your car will go like this if you've got a red one. It's a little silver, grey, whatnot. Pop them out, and boom! Look at this bad boy, beautiful in black. Would you not agree? I would. And just for 15 quid, very quick, easy job. If you want to break the clips, just slap it out and boom. Next, we've got the sliding indicators and wing type. These side mirrors, yeah, for 14 quid, 13 quid plus 12 quid for the other, for the actual wing thing, comes to £25. So your car will basically look something like this, or something like this if you got the indicators. You know, I think the other one didn't really show the bottom part where your sliding indicators are. If your car's yellow, obviously, then wow, bumblebee. Anyway, on to the next mod, the front mod. 40 quid. This way it gets a bit more pricey, yeah, 40 squids and that, but this is how yours will look. Look at that beauty with the black grille thingies there, and boom, here's an aesthetic shot just for you. Beautiful. Alright, just look at this beauty with the front slip. Once front.
Now you can show off your sexy front bumper like this BMW person and smash straight into someone. Yeah, you. So now let's swiftly move on to the rear end.
Wow, so your car probably looks a bit crappy from behind now onto the rear, and this is your behind, yeah, your derriere as you call it or whatnot. What a beauty you got here, plain and boring, right? Just like every other car there, but obviously you want to look a bit different. Let me show you what different you would look like. That was for my car, guys. So this is the rear spoiler lip for £4 British poundings.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
And no, not £4 British poundings like that, God. So this will be the back trunk spoiler you'd have, and basically your car will look a bit like this once it's got that M3 type spoiler on the rear. Boom, look at this beauty your car will look like. If yours is black, wow, I really want mine to be blacked out, to be fair. It looks beautiful with that M3 type trunk spoiler. Wowza, you know. So you could do the calculations as well, because we're getting there, we're getting to the end nearly. Well, not really, we still got 30 solid quid, 30 pound for the bottom rear diffuser. Alright, let me show you what it looks like. Boom, this is what your rear diffuser, it's not clear, but don't worry, we're going to get to the next part which will show you a bit clearer. And yeah, so yes, the next one is a tenner, brah, which is if you don't know what this is, it's what you use to debadge your car. Yeah, beautiful. I know you're probably thinking, what do you mean debadge? Well, looky here, yeah, looky here. We got the rear spoiler, we got the diffuser at the bottom, and we got a debadge. So no one will know once I debadge mine it's a 320D. They might think it's 320i. If you want to be an extra bit special and cool, you can add this little twin exhaust extension from Halfords or something for like 5-10 quid, I don't know. But yeah, I forgot to mention the grill bars, which you can get for like £5, and they put on the front behind the black grills. I don't know if you'll see it from here. But coming to our total, which is, drum roll please, this is how your car will look with this total amount of £150. You do the calculations, let me know if you think that's great budget or not, guys, because I think that's beautiful to look like this. Wow. Yeah, so you're probably thinking, what the hell is this image now? Well, your car just went from looking like this piece of crap, yeah, this like all this old school type car you probably had before or now, and this is how people view your car, yeah. After these mods, this is how you're looking. Boom, this is you standing right next to your car, somehow went from blue to white or whatever the color you got, with the black grills, spoiler front, blah blah blah, and boom, you're a happy lad. Not just are you a happy lad, you've got yourself a woman who wants to eat your car, looking like Spider-Woman, stretching out her legs just for you, eh? Wowzers, who would have thought? Lovely, but you know, you got a whole new life now, yeah? You got somehow changed your whole thing, and you got a whole new bird, eh? So now, after all those, you know, mods and whatnot, you've gone from a plain Jane to Spider-Man with his Mary Jane, eh? So, you know, you can thank me for that. And not just that, guys, I know I missed out a few things. Let me know in the comments what I did miss out, what I could have done better, or, you know, what you think, if it's worth those mods or not, any mods I might have missed out. Obviously there's wheels, tires, alloys, suspension, which I can do for another video. If this gets 100 likes, then yeah, then I definitely will. Probably get ready for my next video, which will probably be me actually modifying my car to make it look like what I've just demonstrated, and hopefully that does well too, you know. So please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and you know what, tell someone that has a BMW that has a very boring ass one, tell them that they can have a brand new life, a brand new happier life. That's all they gotta do. Just, you know, upgrade their life, upgrade their cars for £150 after you bought a 10 grand car, whatever it is. And yeah, you know, if you're from America, then, you know, salute to you, dog. Just add a few dollars, you know, do the conversion, and it's pretty much very cheap. I would say £150, very budget and very minimal, which you can do. If not, let me know if it is too pricey, and I'll have another look and let you guys know. So please subscribe, like, share, and thank you.